Turkey Maniac Television is brought to you by these fine sponsors and supporters. Anderson RC, your full-service hobby shop. Step Livestock Supply. Joe's Taxidermy, preserving memories of a lifetime. Carolina Landscaping. Carolina Firearm Coatings, protecting your firearms with the customized, unique finish. Years ago, I filmed a friend of mine killing a turkey. This made me a believer that you can hunt turkeys in the pouring down rain and they're still active, they're still gobbling, they're still doing what turkeys do. Look at all the gobblers in this group attacking the bird that's already down. This made me a believer in rainy day hunting. This was back in some of my earlier days of filming hunts. Hello, my name is Chris Roseborough, and welcome to this edition of Turkey Maniac Television. On this hunt, I hook up with a lifelong friend of mine named Eric Hamrick. Eric and I have been friends for many years. We've hunted together on my family's farm for many years, and so we both took some time off during the opening week of turkey season. Unfortunately, it was pouring down rain, but we didn't let that stop us. So come along to join me and Eric on a rainy season turkey hunt. We're going to have a lot of fun. Well, I hit the highway, headed to Eric's house, excited about the hunt and what it would bring, but still keeping the fact they were calling for torrential downpours on the back of my mind and how we were going to go about hunting these turkeys in the pouring down rain. Eric and I have hunted together for several years. We both took some time off opening week of turkey season. Unfortunately, it was pouring down rain, but we were not going to let that stop us. Much of the day, we just sit in the truck in the pouring down rain, waiting for it to let up some. It was a really rainy day. The landowner had told us that he wanted to kill a nice turkey. Whether it was a jake or a gobbler, he didn't care as long as it was a big-bodied turkey because he wanted some meat on the table. So we came across this field full of jakes. We notified him, we bought him back out, and he was able to take him a jake, and he was happy. But he didn't want to be on camera. Later that evening, Eric and I found a field full of toms, jakes, and hens. It wasn't long before roosting time. We watched the birds till they left the field, and we knew where we were going to be set up that next morning. The next morning, we found the birds on the roost, and we set up. As you see from the overhead map, this was the turkey's location. This was my location. And this is the path I needed the turkey to travel to get into effective range. We knew we had to cut this tom off, or else he was going to cross through the field and go across the road onto other people's property. Go get it. Eric made a great shot on that turkey. It was about a 60-yard shot. Good job, brother.
Hey, you know what I shot at him with this long view?
What?
4 shot.
4?
Yeah.
That's what's in there now?
The first one was at 4, 5, and 7.
Yeah.
4 shot. Look how far that is. How far is that?
That's a long. That's why I told you, if you don't shoot now, he's getting further up across there.
We got him early. That's what's up.
Hey, here's the shell stuff. It's them gold ones. Did you use?
Yeah.
But it's 3.5.
Let me see.
But it ain't the.
Oh yeah, those.
It ain't the 4, 5, and 7. It's the heavy shot turkey 4s.
Heavy shot turkey number 4s.
Yeah.
And that, I'm gonna step it off. That's about 60 yards.
Yeah.
Gosh, boy.
We let them have
We
it.
charge the camera up a little bit.
We're gonna let it bell rip.
Yeah. I'm gonna step this distance off, man. It's raining, nasty, and we still getting it done.
Eric's wife, Angel, was very happy that he got that turkey.
Wow.
A nice one, isn't it? What do you think, Angel? How hard did he work for that bird?
Pretty hard. All those days of going over there and just sitting and sitting and sitting.
And waiting and sitting. Yeah.
That was my thing. Oh, I did too when I barely crawled through that field. I had to, there was some other big pile of something there I had to crawl through.
Yeah,
Good, Eric. I mean,
nothing like getting a good old gobbler.
I might be sitting there laying on that. I mean, Eric's back hurting him pretty bad.
As long as he's on ice, he's good.
Well, I mean, that's what I'm asking Eric.
Angel didn't waste any time cleaning this bird.
Yeah, I see that.
A good friend of ours named Wayne Carter, he showed up too.
Oh, you fine. You fine.
That's some
All
good
right,
looking
I'll see
meat
you,
right
bud.
there.
Man, that's a chunk of bridge right there.
Well, guys, I hope you enjoyed that hunt. Throughout the pouring rain, it still worked out for Eric and I, and we were able to get on our birds and have a successful week. I hope you do so, and don't let the rain stop you when it's time to hit the turkey woods, because you know it as well as I do, the turkeys are still going to be out and about. It's just a matter of finding them when you're soaking wet. I'm your host, Chris Roseborough. I want to thank you for tuning in for this edition of Turkey Maniac Television. Have a blessed day and have a safe hunt. See you next time. Hello and welcome to Turkey Maniac Television. My name is Chris Roseborough. I'm an avid outdoor enthusiast. Hunting, fishing, scuba diving, rope rappelling, hiking, radio control airplanes, all sorts of hobbies. Professionally, I work in the field of emergency services in law enforcement and as a firefighter, and I've committed myself to serving my community and helping those in need. As a former state and national powerlifting champion and black belt in Taekwondo, I also am a world record holder in the Guinness Book of World Records and a former contestant on NBC's Fear Factor. As a former football player and track athlete at NC State University, I obtained a degree in communications, broadcast engineering, and computer graphic design. I used my degree to work for national television news media outlets such as Fox News and UPN. I filmed my first hunting video when I was about 18 years old, before using my production talents to produce outdoor television shows for several different companies and outdoor celebrities. I've won several turkey calling competitions and competed in the Grand National Turkey Calling Competition, and I was also a professional hunting guide, which led me to develop Turkey Maniac television, on-demand hunting, and outdoor hobbies. I encourage everyone to have faith in the Father in heaven and His Son, Christ Jesus, and follow your dreams. Enjoy the show.